Hi, I'm John Farrell, an estate planning attorney with the Farrell Law Firm, and today we're talking about something every family needs but most people avoid: estate planning. I'm going to show you exactly how to get started, avoid common mistakes, and why writing a will is just the beginning. Most people think a will is all you need. It's important, yes, but a will is just one piece of the puzzle. Think of your estate plan like a blueprint for your legacy. Without one, state law decides who gets what, and it's rarely what you would have chosen. Let's walk through how to write a will and what else you must consider to make sure your family is protected. Step 1. Inventory your assets. Start with what you own: your home, savings, retirement accounts, and yes, even that vintage car in the garage. But don't forget what you owe. Mortgages, credit cards, student loans, those matter too. Step 2. Decide who gets what. Don't just think about who should inherit. Think about how they inherit. Will it go to them outright or in a trust? What if your beneficiary dies before you? These are the what ifs you need to plan for. Step 3. Choose an executor you trust. This is the person who carries out your wishes. It should be someone organized, trustworthy, and ideally not surprised that you picked them. Step 4. Make it legal. In most states, that means signing it in front of 2 independent witnesses. Not your spouse, not your kids, 2 adults who aren't getting anything under the will. But your will doesn't control everything. Retirement accounts, life insurance policies, and joint accounts, those pass outside your will. If you haven't updated your beneficiary designations, your ex-spouse might still inherit your 401k. Yes, that happens, more often than you'd think. Here's a quick tip. Pensions are often the most tax-efficient way to pass wealth, but only if you've actually named a beneficiary. Use their full legal name. Review it every time your life changes, like a marriage, divorce, or new child, and don't just assume the provider knows what you meant. Be specific. And remember, your will does not control your pension. It's a totally separate process. What happens about life changes that require updates? You should revisit your will every 3 to 5 years, or sooner if any of these happen. You buy or sell a home. You get married or divorced. You have a child or grandchild. Someone in your will passes away. Estate planning is not a one-and-done document. It's a living plan that evolves with your life. Here's what to do if someone passes away. Losing a loved one is hard enough without legal confusion. If someone close to you dies, here's what to do first. First, register the death. Get an official certificate. Number 2, notify the government. Use the Tell Us Once service if you're in the US or UK. Number 3, contact financial institutions, banks, pension providers, insurance companies. Number 4, understand the pension. Spouses or named beneficiaries may be eligible, but rules vary based on age and account type. Estate planning gives your loved ones clarity, not chaos. It's not about death, it's about peace of mind. If you're ready to take the next step, I can help. Check the links in the description to book your free consultation. And don't forget to subscribe, because protecting your legacy should never be an afterthought.